Hi, this is week 4 and we're looking at the sound method. Today we're going to be talking about understand and why it's the different kind of knowing. The third movement is understand, and I want to spend a moment on why I'm using that word rather than a different one, because what I mean by it is not what the word usually means in this context. In self-development work, understanding usually means insight, the narrative that makes a pattern legible, the conceptual grasp of why something developed, what it's doing, what is causing it. This kind of understanding is produced by the analytical mind. It is often accurate. It is also, as we've established, produced by the shell, and therefore subject to the shell's management of what is allowed to be known. And, the critical point, it does not typically change the pattern. You can understand with complete accuracy while the pattern exists and still be running the pattern. This is the ceiling of insight-based work. The understand that is the third movement is different in kind from this. Spinoza distinguishes 3 kinds of knowledge. The first is assembled from vague impressions and signs and hearsay, partial, often distorted. The second is reasoned, inferential, systematic, built through argument. The third he called intuitive knowledge, and he described it as arriving not through a chain of reasoning, but directly, more clearly, and more certainly than anything produced by reasoned calculation. His example, given 1, 2, 3, and asked to find the fourth proportional, you can apply a rule, or in simple cases, you simply see it. From the very ratio, you know the answer. No inference required. The knowledge is immediate. The third movement's understand is this kind of knowing, not the insight produced by the analytical mind, not the argument that a pattern makes sense for these reasons. The recognition, the direct knowledge of what is there that arrives after sensing and observing have done sufficient work. It does not require argument, and it is not open to revision in the way that argument-dependent understanding is. When it arrives, it doesn't feel like an insight. Insights feel productive. They produce something to do, something to tell someone, something that moves the account forward. This feels quieter. It has a quality of, this is what is here. It doesn't call for anything to be done with it. It is complete in itself. If you're interested in exploring further, please book a session, a free introductory session to the practice at negativephilosophy.com. There is an introductory booking form there, and if you book a session, then you will be speaking with a trained practitioner. If you're interested in the intellectual side of it, then please join Martin Butler's Patreon, my Patreon, where you'll find this material, and also you'll find our material on Substack. If you're interested in reading books, then on Amazon, Martin has 5 books and 2 are novels. My favourite novel is Conversations with Jelly. His most popular book is A Minority Interest, which doesn't seem to be so minority. I have produced a modern translation of Spinoza's Ethics. So, anyway, see you tomorrow. Thank you.